Hey, everyone! Want to grow your YouTube channel fast?
Here's how.
Step 1. Verify your channel. This unlocks key features and boosts visibility. Just visit YouTube's verification page and follow the steps. Step 2. Pick your niche. Choose a topic you love that also has monetization potential: tech reviews, finance, fitness, gaming, or tutorials. Step 3. Optimize your look. Create a standout banner, eye-catching thumbnails, and a clear channel description. Set up YouTube Studio for proper categorization. Step 4. Video optimization. Use keywords, tags, playlists, and timestamps to help YouTube understand and promote your content. Step 5. Build a community. Reply to comments, ask questions, and use the community tab to keep viewers engaged. Step 6. Remind viewers to like and subscribe. A simple call to action boosts engagement. Bonus tip: stay consistent and experiment. Post at least once a week, analyze results, and refine your strategy. Hit like and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. See you in the next video.